The standard photo mode is a classic, offering crystal clear images with a depth and richness of color that is truly unparalleled. The light sensor ensures that every shot, whether taken under the golden glow of a sunset or the harsh glare of noon, is perfectly balanced and beautifully lit. The iQoo 12 Pro's zoom-in feature is a game-changer. It allows you to get closer to your subject without losing any detail. Imagine capturing the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings. The zoom-in feature maintains image quality even at high zoom levels, ensuring your photos are always sharp and detailed. It's perfect for capturing distant subjects or small details. So whether you're capturing a distant landscape or a small detail, the iQoo 12 Pro's zoom-in feature ensures you don't miss a thing. It's like having a telescope and a microscope all in one. Next, we have the super macro mode. It brings the world up close and personal, revealing the intricate details of nature that are often overlooked. From the delicate veins on a leaf to the dewdrop on a spider's web, this mode is a nature lover's dream. The night mode is a game changer. It transforms the darkness into a canvas of light and shadow, capturing the quiet beauty of the night with stunning clarity. No more grainy, underexposed photos. With the iQoo 12 Pro, every night shot is a masterpiece. The Pro mode puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to manually adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus. It's like having a DSLR but without the bulk and complexity. Let's not forget about the video mode. It offers ultra-smooth recording, making your videos look professional and polished. Whether you're capturing a bustling cityscape or a quiet countryside, the iQoo 12 Pro records it all in breathtaking detail.